What's up guys, and welcome back to my channel. You guys are probably asking yourselves, whoa Juan, where have you been? It's been a while. You've been posting mostly just short videos. I'm sorry, I apologize for only posting short videos. I've just been really busy working on some stuff behind the scenes, and you guys are gonna love what I've been working on, especially if you own the 2022 BRZ GR86. Let's just say I've been working on some tasteful mods. But in the past week or week or two, there's been a lot of discussions, a lot of talk on RTV, and I wasn't gonna make a video originally just because I don't want to blow it out of proportion. It is a thing that I guess the more hype or the more it's being discussed, the more videos and posts are being like circulated around the internet, the algorithm. Hopefully Toyota and Subaru pick it up and they do a recall. I'm talking about it right now so you guys could kind of get more informed, and then I'm gonna make a full thorough video next week. This video is actually gonna be about a very tasteful mod that I've been wanting for a while. Finally got it, and I got it at a really good price. But before I show you the install of the STI Lip, let me show you what I've been working on behind the scenes. It's a little teaser because it's not a finished product, but I just want you guys to see for future content, so hit that subscribe button. It's mostly going to be for like your car keys, some change, or whatever, AirPods, whatever you're trying to put in there. Don't really have any cash, I'm kind of broke, so I can't put money in there to demonstrate, but yeah, you guys saw the car keys. Right here is my phone. I'll show you guys that's going in, and there you go. Just like that. Look at that. So now when you're driving, you're gonna be able to have your phone comfortably in there with the keys, and you can finally use your cup holders. I'm really excited for the switches, so stay tuned for those. And let's get into today's video, which is installing the STI Lip. I got it from this guy who parted out his 22 BRZ. This dude spent a lot of money on his car, and for some reason he parted it out for a Type R. He bought the little flaps for the bottom of the STI Lip, which cost like another 80 bucks, 100 bucks. So it was a steal at buying it for $180. Here's a moment of silence right now. Could you guys see it? It's gonna be hard to tell because it's very minimal, but like, so before I installed the lip, I already had this big old scratch that I didn't know about. And then when I installed it, I guess wherever I enter from, I scraped this part too. Such a bummer, but it's cool. This car is meant to be a daily / track car, so I knew there was going to be scratches going in with it. So no big deal. So let me show you guys the install process of installing the STI Lip. As I clean this up, you guys are so lucky that you don't have to clean any of this mess. You're so lucky that you don't have to clean any of this mess right here. So sit back, get some Takis, and enjoy this video. So that's the lip, and what's cool is the guy ended up spending extra money on the little bottom part, which costs like another like 80 to 100 bucks. I might just order the red ones because I want the red, but for right now, the black looks pretty good. So I cleaned up the lip, but I just realized that this actually isn't double-sided tape, it's foam. So it's tape on one side and foam on the other. That white part is double-sided tape, just to kind of hold it in place. But for some reason my Gorilla Glued, that usually is really strong, it's not like gluing onto the side skirt. It's like, I don't know what they use, but it's like super slippery. I don't know if you use ceramic coat on the back too, but Gorilla Tape isn't sticking on. So what I'm gonna do is I just cleaned it, and this side's gonna be the one that I'm gonna be worried about a bit, just because it's not the stickiest from this little strip, but it's still gonna adhere somewhat, and this side should be good. So he was nice enough to label and pack the bolts and screws, so jack up the car and just put the screws on and stuff. Should be pretty simple. I'll show you guys where to put it, which is just all of these holes right here. But once I jack up the car, I'll show you exactly where to put it. And for anyone that wants to watch something cool on YouTube, you should watch Maverick. He has a cool YouTube channel. It's not really about cars that much, even though he just got a G63. But it's about like living in your car and just like cooking outside your truck and stuff. It's pretty cool. He has a pretty cool camper setup. If you guys want to check something else out, if you want to check another channel out. Oh man, guys, look at this. This hurts. I have no idea what happened right there, but I must have scuffed somewhere. And yeah, this sucks. At least it's from, at least kind of this way you can't see it, but yeah, and it's such a bummer that this isn't gonna cover it up. But oh well, I mean, it's a daily, right? And nothing's perfect. So since it is OEM plus, the side skirt's gonna fit up perfectly with no issues at all. It's gonna use the bolt right here on this side. You just pop it out with a flathead or a panel removal tool. And then there's also one right here. It's gonna be hard to see, but there's another one right here that connects. And that's about it. And then it's gonna be the same thing on the other side, just 2 bolts. And then all throughout the bottom, you're just gonna use self tappers. Just pretty much wherever you want. Just like that. Super simple install. Probably took me like 30-40 minutes, just taking my time. And I put the 12 bolts plus the 2 OEM bolts on each side. So in total, that's about 16 bolts. Super overkill, but just want to make sure it's on there. You know, like my last gen, it was always falling off because I didn't put enough bolts. This one for sure, there's more than enough bolts. I really love the STI Lip. It looks a lot better in person, and now it's starting to give the car a little bit more curves. The dude was selling a carbon fiber version of this, and I really wanted it, but he ended up selling that one. And then he had like a carbon fiber thing for the trunk, which I've been wanting, and I really wanted to buy off him, but he sold it. So I'm gonna have to order it and pay for the shipping from Japan, which totally sucks. But let me turn on my fog lights. And that's how it looks like with the fog lights on. As you guys know, I do sell a plug and play harness kit for the JDM fog lights. If you guys are interested, hit me up on Instagram, 0planet_. I could ship some out, free shipping all throughout the United States. Yeah, I'm always working with so much limited space. I kind of hate it. I could do it, but I wish I had the free space. I wish I had my own garage where I could build some cars, you know, have a couple lifts. So you guys want to make my dream come true, hit that subscribe button, guys. Let's get to 10,000 subscribers. I am going to be doing a coilover giveaway for you guys. One lucky winner is going to win a coilover set, and second and third place winners are going to win some other stuff. So let's get to 10K. Okay, right now I'm like waiting because there's some road work. But the car smells like brake dust, like really bad rubber. It has such a strong smell that I never got this on the previous generation. So I really wonder if it's either my tires or just these brake pads suck on this generation. Maybe because it's the same brake pad and rotor setup, but I feel like maybe for the brake pads they cheaped out and went for a cheaper quality brake pad material. So I feel like that's the case. So I'm really gonna have to upgrade the brake pads on this car. Eventually I'm gonna get the Brembos, but for now I'm gonna give it like a year until I just want to see if for like the 2024 if they come out with like an exclusive package, which could be like the PP performance like the previous generation, where you get the Brembos. And I just want to end off the video telling you guys that how to save some money. Don't pay $400, $500 on the STI Lip. That's such a ripoff. Go into Google, search up local Subaru dealerships all around your area, as far as you're willing to drive, in every single one of their websites for the dealerships, and then most of them will offer you a discount code. For my local dealership, the one where I bought my car, they weren't offering any discounts at all because they're super stingy. I wouldn't recommend buying any accessories from that specific dealership. But this other dealership that's closer to like Santana Row, where they charge a way bigger markup for their cars, funny enough, they actually had a 15% off for any accessories. That's where I bought my short shifter. They gave me 15% off, and that's where I was gonna buy my STI Lip if I got a new. I believe the price was gonna be about $350 with taxes and everything included, which is way cheaper than what I showed you guys right here in the video, where it's $400 plus shipping, most likely, and then taxes not included yet. So make sure, guys, don't just go based off one website. Try to compare them, see which ones are going to be the best deal. So that's it for this video, guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it, and thanks for watching, and good vibes until next time. Peace.